Hello students, in last class we discussed about some problems on relation. Okay, in this class we will discuss some more examples on here relation. Okay, consider here next problem. The figure shows a relation between sets P and Q. Write this relation here, first one in set builder form, second question in roster form, and what is its domain and range. Here already figure is given. Here what to write the, okay, it is the relation in set builder form, roster form, what to write, domain and range, right. First here solution, okay, in set builder form here, right. Therefore r equal to right here 5 3 6 4 right 7 5 is given, but here what are the relation between 5 3 means the difference between 5 and 3 is 2, the difference between 6 and 4 is 2, the difference between 7 and 5 is 2. Therefore we can write here relation R in the set builder form. Okay, relation R is here in set builder form here x comma y such that x minus y equal to 2, x is belongs to set P and y is belongs to set Q. It is in the form of set builder form. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವರು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ P and Q, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 5 and 3 is 2, 6 and 4 2, 7 and 5 2. ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಸುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5 3 6 4 7 5 5 3 6 4 7 5. It is in the form of roster form. Okay, next, what is its domain and range? Domain of R, relation R is equal to here first element 5 6 7 5 6 7. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಸೆಟ್ ಪಿ ಅಂತೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಪಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು 5 6 7. ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಬರೀ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಪಿನು ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್? 3 4 7 3 4 7. Then again we can write here 3 4 5 means set Q, therefore it is equal to set Q. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂನು ಬರೆಯುವುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯುವುದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 2 3 4 6, ಲೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಎ ಟು ಎ, ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಎನೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ರೈಟ್. defined by a comma b, a comma b belongs to set a, b is exactly divisible by a. What is the relation between a and b here? b is exactly divisible by a, or a divides b, both are meaning same. b is exactly divisible by a andru onde ri, a divides b andru onde, right. First question, write r in roster form, find the domain of r, and third question, find the range of R here. Okay, therefore first here solution, what is set A value? 1 2 3 4 6 here. Okay, the relation between A and B here, B is exactly divisible by A. First we can calculate A cross A. Okay, A cross A ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಈಗ A cross A equal to, what is the A value? 1 2 3 4 6 cross, again A value 1 2 3 4 6 ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ therefore r equal to okay here 1 comma 1. okay 1 divides 1. okay here divides meaning here 2 divides 4 but 2 does not divides 3. 4 does not divides 2. okay 2 divides 4 ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. 2 divides 3 ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ರೀ 1, 0 ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್. therefore 2 divides 4, 2 does not divides 3. in the same way 4 also does not divides 2. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇನ್ 2 ಟೇಬಲ್ 4 ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. 2 ಟೇಬಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆಯಾ, therefore 2 divides 4. in 2 table 3 is there, no, therefore 2 does not divides 3. in 4 table 2 is there, no, 4 ಟೇಬಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, 2 ಟೇಬಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, therefore 2 divides 4 but 4 does not divides 2. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ 1 comma 1 ಈಗ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟುವರಿ 1 comma 1. 1 divides 1, yes, in one table 1 is there, therefore 1 comma 1. 1 divides 2, yes, okay 1 divides all the numbers. okay ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 divides ಏನು all the numbers. in one table all the numbers are exist, right? therefore 1 divides 2, 1 divides 3 also, 1 divides 4 also, 1 divides 6 also, right? next from 2 divides 1. in 2 table 1 is there, no. 2 divides 2, yes, in 2 table 2 is there, 2 divides 2. 2 divides 3, no. in 2 table 3 is there, no, therefore 2 does not divides 3. 2 divides 4, yes, in 2 table 4 is there, 2 comma 4. 2 divides 6, yes, in 2 table 6 is there, therefore 2 comma 6. next ಯಾವುದರಿಂದರಿಗೆ 3 ಲಿಂದ 3 divides 1, no. in 3 table 1 is there, no. 3 divides 2, no. in 3 table 2 is not there. 3 divides 3, yes, in 3 table 3 is there. 3 divides 4, no. in 3 table 4 is not there. 3 divides 6, yes, 3 comma 6. next from 4 divides 1, no. 4 divides 2, no. in 4 table 2 is not there. in 2 table 4 is there, right? 4 divides 3, no. 4 divides 4, yes. 4 divides 6, no. in 4 table 6 is there, no. next from 6 here 6 divides 1, no. 6 divides 2, no. 6 divides 3, no. 6 divides 4, no. 6 divides 6. this is the relation R and it is also called in the form of, it is roster form only. okay first question ಏನಿತ್ತು ರೀ, ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ರೀ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್, 1 1. ಓಕೆ 1 ಟೈಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ತ್ರಿಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು, ರೈಟ್ ದಿ 1 ಟೈಮ್ ಒನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ, 1 1 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 3 4 6. ಓಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾತ್ರಿ, 1 2 3 4 6. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್. ರೇಂಜ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ರೀ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನು, ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್. ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್, 1 2 3 4 6. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್, 1 2 3 4 6. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ range of the relation R here, right? Next question here, determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R equal to x comma x plus 5 such that here x values are belongs to 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? Here x comma x plus 5 is there. Here what to calculate domain and range. Before that, write down the values of relation R here, right? Therefore solution R equal to, okay, what are the x value here, 0 1 2 3 4 5. just replace the value x equal to first one here 0. Here also if x equal to 0, here also it is the value of y means, okay, 0 plus 5 is 5. okay, first here replace x equal to 0 here, here also 0 and here also 0. it is 0 and 0 plus 5 is 5. next just replace x equal to 1, 1, 1 plus 5, 6. Next, x equal to 2. 2, 2 plus 5, 7. 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Next, 4 is there. 4. 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Next, 5. 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 5, 10. Okay, it is the relation R here. Okay. Then what to write the domain and range here. Domain of relation R equal to first element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 are called domain. Range of the relation R means second element 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it is range of the relation R here. Next question here. Write the relation R is equal to x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10 in Rocher form. Right? What to write the relation R in the form of Rocher form. Therefore, solution here R equal to, what are the given here? R equal to x comma x cube such that here x is prime number less than 10 andare. Okay, less than 10. What are the prime number? Okay, the meaning of prime number is the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. A number in abakri 1 linda divide abaku matte ade number linda ade divide adare, then only it is called prime number, right? 2 yadrinda divide akadre 1. Okay, 1 divides all the number. Okay, 2 linda 2 divide akate averada number bittu matte yav number linda divide agodilla, therefore it is called prime number. 4 antori 4 is 1 divides 4 ide, 2 divides 4 ide, 4 divides 4 andre extra ena 3 2 aatu, 2 divides 4. But prime number endrainu which is divisible by 1 and itself. 4 is not a prime number, it is called composite number here, right? Therefore here x belongs to our enandare prime number which are less than enandare 10 andare. What are the prime number which are less than 10? 2 is prime number. 3, yes. 4, no. 5, yes, prime number. 6, it is not a prime number. 7, yes. 8, not a prime number. 9, no. 10 also not a prime. These are the prime number. Therefore R equal to, just replace the value x equal to 2 here. 2 cube. Next 3 cube. Next 5 cube. Next 7 cube. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. R equal to 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27, 5 cube means 125, 7 cube means 343. Right? It is a relation, it is in the form of Rocher form here, right? Next question here. Let A equal to x, y, z and B equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relation from A to B here. Therefore, solution n of A. How many element in set A? 3. And n of B. How many element in set B? 2. Therefore, number of relations from A to B is equal to 2 raised to P cube. 2 raised to P means number of element present in set A, that is 3. 3 into Q means number of element present in set B, that is 2. Therefore 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 means 64. Therefore number of relation, possible number of relation from A to B here 64, right? Next question here. Find the domain and range of the relation r equal to 5x plus 2 comma 1 minus x. Here x value is less than 3 and x belongs to n here. Therefore, solution here x belongs to n means natural number, means what to consider only positive number, 0 also not included, right? And what is the another condition here? X less than 3. X less than 3 implies here what is the x value? 1 comma 2. X less than 3 andre ಯಾವ ಇವ್ರಿ 1 2. 0 also less than 3, but here x must be natural number. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 and 2 here. Therefore just here r equal to, just replace x equal to 1 here. 5 into 1 1 means 5 plus 2 is 7 here also replace x equal to 1 minus 1 0, right? Next x equal to 2, 5 into 2 10 plus 2 12 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Therefore domain of relation R means first elements 7 comma 12. Next, range of relation R is equal to second element 0 minus 1. Okay, domain and range for the given relation R here, right?